Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for in-depth reviews and insights into trending home decor items. In today's video, we're excited to showcase what we believe is the best Thanksgiving wreath with pumpkins, pine cones, berries, and farmhouse decor. The 22-inch realistic fall wreath with lights by Heawrtz. Right off the bat, this wreath sets the tone for the autumn season. Whether you're decorating for Thanksgiving, Halloween, or simply want to infuse your home with fall charm, this is the piece that pulls it all together. With its lifelike textures and elegant neutral palette, it blends beautifully with rustic, farmhouse, and even modern home aesthetics. Let's start with the design. The wreath features a cozy, harvest-inspired mix of white pumpkins, pine cones, beige and light brown silk maple leaves, and scattered berries. What stands out here is the combination of realistic textures and harmonious color tones. Nothing feels plasticky or overdone. Each component feels thoughtfully placed, mimicking the look of freshly gathered autumn elements. It's a wreath that genuinely looks like it could have come from a walk through a golden-leafed forest. Now, what makes this wreath really shine, literally, is the built-in lighting. It comes pre-lit with 30 warm LED lights that add a soft and inviting glow to your entryway, fireplace, wall, or wherever you choose to display it. The lights are battery-powered and include a timer function that stays on for 6 hours and turns off automatically for 18. That means you set it once, and it adds magic to your home every evening without any extra effort. Batteries are not included, but standard AA batteries will do the job. In terms of build quality, Heawrtz has crafted this piece using high-quality silk and plastic. The maple leaves are soft and textured, not stiff or crinkly like many cheaper alternatives. The pumpkins and berries have a matte, realistic finish, and the pine cones give just the right amount of contrast and depth to the layout. This isn't a wreath that will shed or fade after one season. It's made to last, whether you use it indoors or outside under a covered porch. Let's talk about versatility. Measuring 22 inches in diameter, it's the perfect medium size. Not too big that it overwhelms a small space, and not too small that it disappears on a standard front door. And it's not just for doors. You can hang it above a fireplace, place it in a dining room, mount it on an accent wall, or even use it as a centerpiece for a fall-themed event like a wedding or Thanksgiving dinner. It's suitable for homes, offices, stores, and even hotels looking to add seasonal charm. As we wrap up, here's why this wreath earns our recommendation as the best pick for the season. It's beautifully designed with realistic and natural elements, easy to maintain with its automatic timer lighting, and versatile enough to work in nearly any fall decor setting. If you're searching for a stylish, cozy, and well-crafted autumn wreath, this one checks all the boxes. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more home decor reviews, and let us know in the comments where you display this fall wreath in your home. See you next time.